Good morning, children. Now, question number 18. Look at the question and try to understand it. If the mean of set of observation x1, x2, dash 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 x10 is 20. Okay. Find the mean of x1 plus 4, x2 plus 8, x3 plus 12, dot dot x10 plus 10, x10 plus 40. Now the observations are x1, x2, x10. Given the mean of a set of observations x1, x2, dot 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 x10 is equal to 20. That is x1 plus x2 dot 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 x10 sum of observation by number of observation is equal to 20. Mean is equal to sum of observation by number of observation. So sum of observation, that is x1 plus x2 plus dot 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 up till x10 is equal to 20 into 10, which is equal to 200. Okay, x1 plus x2 dot dot x10 is equal to 200. We have to find mean of x1 plus 4, x1 plus 4, x2 plus 8, dot 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 x10 plus 40. Okay, so sum of observation, this is x1, x2 till x10, and here fourth table is running. So sum of observation by, here also number of observation is 10. Okay, so here we will segregate x1 plus x2 plus dot 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 x10. We will add this together, plus 4 plus 8 plus 12 dash dash 4 tens are 40 by 10. Sum of observation by number of observation. We know that x1 plus x2 dot dot x10, sum of x1 to x10 is 200. If you add 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus 16 plus 20 plus 24 plus 28 plus 32 plus 36 plus 40, you will get 220. Okay, so 200 plus 220 will be 420 by 10. 0 get cancel. So mean of, therefore mean of x1 plus 4, x2 plus 8, dot 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 x10 plus 40 is equal to 42. Okay, children. Next, 19th sum. Six numbers from a list of 9 integers. What is given? Given 6 numbers from a list of 9 integers are 7, 8, 3, 5, 9 and 5. Okay, find the largest possible value of the median of all the 9 numbers in this list. Okay, 6 numbers from a list of 9 integers. There are 9 integers, children. So first of all, we will assume let 6 are given. Let the largest 3 numbers be 10, 11 and 12. So we will arrange it according to the ascending order. So it will be 3, 5, 5, 7, 8, 7, 8, 9, 9, then 10, 11, 11, 12. Okay, here n is equal to 9. So which one will be? It is odd. So the n plus 1 by 2 observation will be the median. That is 9 plus 1 by 2, that is 10 by 2, that is fifth observation will be the median. 2, 3, 4, 5. So find the largest possible value of median of all the 9 numbers in the list. You can take the largest 3, any number you can take, but the median is the fifth position. Whatever number you take at last, the median remains the same. So find the largest possible value of median of all the 9 numbers in the list. Therefore the median is equal to 8. Okay, it remains the same. Whatever number you take, the largest 3, any number you take, the largest 3 numbers, the median remains the same. Okay children, now next, the median of set of 9 distant observation is 20. How many observations are there? 9. And median is given also as 20. If each of the largest 4 observation of set is increased by 2, find the median of the resulting set. Now the median of a set of 9 distant observation is 20. Okay, 9 distant observation means n is 9. That means odd. Which one will be the median? N plus 1 by 2. That is 9 plus 1 by 2. That is 10 by 2. That is fifth observation will be the median. Okay, median will be fifth observation. If each of the largest 4 observation of set is increased by 2, if each of the largest 4 observations of the set is increased by 2, that is if 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th observation is increased by 2, the median remains the same. If you increase 6th number, 7th number, 7th observation, 8th observation, 9th observation with 2, then also the median will remain the same, as the median is the fifth observation. Okay children, so if each of the largest 4 observation of the set is increased by 2, that is if 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th observation is increased by 2, the median remains the same. Okay, the median will be equal to 20 only. Fifth observation 20 only. Okay, so these 3 sums you have to do once in your class workbook. Okay, thank you.